Listen, summer has a uniform, right? Flip-flops, t-shirt, cover-up, wash, rinse, repeat. Let's face it, we're a little lazy and it is really hot, but my next guest says you can keep the simplicity and swap in just a smidge more style. Studio 5 contributor and professional stylist Casey Matheny has 5 smart outfit upgrades that will have you feeling more put together. It's so true. We tend to think of being hot pushes us toward these like very basic basics.
Very basic basics, and a lot of time they're not even cooler. They're just, you feel like they're more casual, so it's okay if you sweat in them, but I'm like, this isn't actually doing anything for you in these hot summer days, so let's elevate it and cool you down.
At the same time.
At the same time.
Okay, starting with flip-flops.
Yes. So I think our typical thought is I'm just gonna throw on flip-flops, whether I'm running out with the kids or, you know, getting dressed up, whatever. We can elevate them. Instead of just your typical Old Navy flip-flop or just a very casual flip-flop, throw on a slide.
Yeah.
So many different options, so many different materials. They've got the instep. I mean, they can be as comfortable as you need, but they are just way more elevated than your plastic flip-flop.
And I feel like, I'm no foot doctor, but flip-flops requires a lot of muscle tension.
They really do.
mean,
they are not comfortable.
It's a workout to keep those shoes on your foot and to try to walk.
Absolutely. So these are just elevated options that bring in that style aspect, which I'm always a fan of.
Always, always. All right, the basic t-shirt you say we can afford to upgrade.
Yes. So, you know, we all take our grungy white tee or whatever tee, fill in that blank and throw it on. A lot of times it's that material that we're lacking. Either we're putting on polyester and we need to look to something like cotton or linen, something that is just a lot more breathable. Same comfort level. This is as easy breezy as you get, but it's just not going to suffocate you.
And it's got the detail so I look like I'm dressed.
Totally, like you actually tried.
Okay, flip-flops, basic tee, shorts. Show us how to swap out our athletic shorts.
Yes, so also I think that if we're running throughout the day, we're like, let's throw on the athletic shorts and we're gonna go take our kids where we need. Instead of your typical athletic shorts, try like a trouser, a poplin bottom or cotton bottom, something that's also breathable, stretchy in the back, but it just is more elevated.
It's sort of like we just need to switch our mindset and get used to wearing real clothes again.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
We're still kind of fighting that uphill post-COVID.
We are, and I think, you know, post-COVID, but also just like the life phase that we're in, I think there's always an excuse to dress down, but if we just elevate our everyday, we're gonna feel better about ourselves.
Yeah, clothes are clothes, but they can be polished and feel put together. All right, for the swim, for the pool, what do you recommend there?
For the pool, so I think typically we'll throw on just our ratty dress, right? Or you're like, I'm just going to the pool, let's throw on a dress. Well, let's elevate it. This I love. It's just a full button down from H&M. You can dress it up like a dress if you have to run to lunch or run the kids to something after, or completely unbutton it with your swimsuit underneath and it's linen, and it's just like the perfect pool cover-up.
Old Navy's a great source as well for dresses that double as cover-ups. Every year I find myself just grabbing one, and because the pool life lasts long after the pool.
It really does.
Like, you know you're gonna go run an errand, you might end up at a fast casual restaurant, like you leave the pool and you don't get home for another 2 hours, right? So to feel pulled together and polished is a smart move.
Finding those pieces that can double in all aspects of your life.
Yeah. All right, how are we updating our bags this summer?
Okay, so I mean, over here I've got, these are all the things we don't want anymore. So typically we'll throw on like a crossbody bag, just something easy that we're like, we can throw all of our stuff into.
Yeah.
For the summer, I would love to see more rattan and basket weave and, you know, bucket bags and just things that bring in those summery vibes. Still, plenty of room. Yeah. We've got these huge totes, plenty of room, but just elevated.
Yes.
Just elevated.
A little bit of intention, a little bit of thought, and you are the polished summer woman that we want to be.
Absolutely.
Casey, thank you so much.
You're
5
welcome.
easy swaps to make. You're always sharing great advice like this on your social. How can we find you?
Yeah, my social is just Casey Matheny Style on Instagram, and meet me over there.
You're one of those people I get excited when I see you posted. I do. I'm like, there she is, my friend, and she's going to teach me something. I'm going to learn something. I love the stylist swap outs in the closet.
Yeah, that's controversial sometimes.
It's
not a little bit.
Can be. She tells you what she's taking out of clients' closets and what she's replacing it with instead, and I learned.
Those are fun.
All right, Casey, we love you. We'll link you from our website.